Khur Skhem jong Nongsan Hima.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hakajing akran bat kilapat hai kubor ulaong bakaseng manta kalong kablapen kre bat banyatre langru hakajing pen kre ya kabay election kabansalong hakalay tarik urisaw arhajar arpawe kaseng kalalong kablapen kre bat klem artatin uba Vincent ulaong baka Congress kan job Baroh Tylli ki Konstitwensi.
But what he said is people are running away from the party. I think at the beginning there must be a misunderstanding, maybe a perception. But today Mukul is working very hard. I have seen in social media. So I am working very hard here also, coordinating. I think if it is a normal election, we would have won all the seats. But by-election, I don't know, because as on today, we are winning all the seats. But in by-election, you know, sometimes every ministers, every leaders will be landed in a constituency. But as on today, I think we are winning all the seats. I'm quite confident. I was in Maplang yesterday, and in the evening and the morning, I was in Maurangkening. Coordinating with these small group because of the COVID. We don't we don't like to go much a big rally and all. So I think people are with us. As of now, people are with us, and we have good candidates also. And unfortunately, from Maurangkening, some of the Congress has gone and contested. But by this time, the people realize that we don't mind. This Congress is a Congress. Bachals is working over time very hard in Maurangkening, and Kennedy and other teams, we have split in Khasi and Janti and Baroh Hills, different heads, different team. For Baroh Hills, Marthon Sangma, Deborah and all other leaders who will coordinate with the rest of the leaders. For Maurangkening, it is Kong Amperin and Penchingai who will be coordinating with the leaders, whereas for Maplang, it is Charles Marangat and Kingfa MLA who are coordinating with people. So I get feedback almost every day late night, and I also personally go to all the big house meeting or small house meeting. We are working overtime, and I think if you look at the ground, I think Congress works more than any other party. We struggle a lot in these times. So I am very sure, I am very confident. I think you know better than me that we will win all the 3 seats. Fighting for bones within the party. So there's no difference. Only at the beginning, I think Dr. Mukul might have already given a statement at press also that AICC might have some misunderstanding with him, nothing to do with me. And he went to Delhi, he got it clarified. So as of now, we all working together. That's why I've said, if you see in the ground, Congress workers are more than the ruling workers, because there's no unity among NPPs on one side, UDPs on one side, PDFs on the one side. So there's no unity amongst them. Forget about it. Even in Baroh Hills also, you see NPP have got their own candidate, UP, and in spite of them having in the government, they should be able to unite, at least by election. But now people realize there's no question for them to unite. So they are more divided rather than the Congress. So Conrad, when he has no agenda, so only pointed to the Congress. There's no such divisions. We are totally very strong, actually. I think in this time we are stronger and more united than ever before.